Welcome to Nepal National Single Window video training. This video shows the procedure for the application of recommendation letter for import of pesticide products from Pesticide Management and Registration section of Plant Quarantine and Pesticide Management Center. In your desktop or laptop, open Nepal National Single Window in a browser. Click on Online Submission and then on License Permit Certificate and Others. If the login page appears, enter your PAN number and password to login. Under Operations menu, click on New LPCO. Under Header tab, in Type of LPCO field, select 960 PMRS. To apply for the recommendation letter, the pesticide-related products must have a registration certificate issued from PMRS in NNSW. If the products are not registered, then apply for the 906 LPCO first. In User Reference Number, you can edit the system-generated code to enter your own code, which can be used to search this application later. Request number, request date, approval reference, approval date, valid from and valid to fields will get auto-filled by the system after submission and processing of the application. Select the country from where items are being imported in Country of Export field. In Entry Point field, select the Customs Office for goods entry. In Invoice Currency Code, select the currency used for transaction in the invoice. Other currency-related fields will be auto-filled by the system. In CP3 National Procedure Code, select the applicable code. In Tolerance Rate, select the probable percentage difference in the quantity of items that shall arrive in the customs entry point. Proceed to Name and Parties tab. Enter the name of the exporting foreign company in exporter/sender name and address. Enter your email in the company email field to receive email updates of the application status. These two fields above are optional and has to be filled as per an agency's requirement. Proceed to Items tab. Click on plus button to add an item. In Approval Reference field, enter the approval number of the registration certificate of the pesticide product issued through NNSW. If the approval number is valid, then these fields will be auto-filled with the item information from the registration certificate. The empty fields seen here will have to be filled. In Package Number and Type, select the type of package from the list and type the related number. In Package Marks, enter the marks on the package of the item. Here, only one of the fields is mandatory. Enter gross mass and net mass of the item. Enter the invoice value of the item in foreign currency and the equivalent amount in national currency can be seen. Enter quantity of the item in unit shown as per the selected HS code to be requested to the agency for export. The approved quantity will be auto-filled by the system after agency processing. Remaining quantity will be updated as per the transaction during customs declaration. Click on Add button. The first item has been added as seen in the table. To add another item, click on the plus button again and fill in the form in the same way as shown before and then click on Add. Similarly, add other items. To view the added item details, click on the eye icon. To edit the item details, click on the pen icon. To remove the item, click on the bin icon. After adding all the items, proceed to Attach Documents tab. Here you will have to upload the required scan copy of documents for the application. The Performa invoice is mandatory. Click on the pen icon to add the file. Enter the invoice number and invoice date. Click on the File field to browse the scan file and click on Open. You can upload either image file or PDF file and the file size should be of 2 MB or less. Click on Update to upload the file. To upload other documents required by the agency, click on the Add New Attachment button. In Code field, select the subject or type of document to be attached. If nothing matches from the list, select 999 Others. Enter the name of the attached document in the reference number field. Date is optional. Browse and select the scan file. Click on Add button. Similarly, you can upload all the required documents for the application. Clicking on the Store button will save this application as a draft and you can submit it at a later date. Clicking on the Submit button will submit this application to the agency for further processing. Click on Yes button on the confirmation pop-up window. The application has been submitted successfully. You will receive email notification on the email entered under Name and Parties tab. The latest application status and related work process from the agency can be seen in the Query and Notification tab. Here, request message can also be sent to the agency when required. You can download Web Tracker mobile app to get notifications on latest status update of your application.